We're at home, and it's a beautiful evening here in Acton, where our little puppy is brand new here. Oh, look at the baby. Oh, isn't he cute? This is hopeful. Brand new puppy. Having fun digging for a bunny or something. Who knows? He's after something. What's Hopeful up to? Oh, don't. He stopped digging. Maybe he thought he was going to be in trouble. You can dig over there. That's okay. You're not digging up any plants. You can go back to what you were doing. It's okay. Don't chase the goose. Not sure he meant to. I don't know that he even saw the goose. Hi, Shoebox.